Whispers about unionization in the video game industry go back at least a decade. Go back to LiveJournal, and read one of the earliest and most infamous accounts of working conditions at a large video game company, a 2004 post written by the spouse of an Electronic Arts, EA, employee, and you will find in the comments a healthy debate about whether or not a union would work at a video game company. Despite the furor and conversation that piece kicked off, the industry has largely been resistant to unionization. Then came the announcement. Quality assurance testers at Raven Software, owned by gaming behemoth Activision Blizzard, announced in January they'd be working with the Communication Workers of America and forming a union. Many of NPR's broadcast technicians are also represented by the CWA, but Activision Blizzard declined to voluntarily recognize a union. We carefully reviewed and considered the CWA's initial request and tried to find a mutually acceptable solution with the CWA that would have led to an expedited election process. Read a statement from Raven Software studio head Brian Raffel. Unfortunately, the parties could not reach an agreement. Now the Raven workers are now filing a petition with the National Labor Relations Board for an election. The NLRB just started their hearings on the case, but it could take weeks, to months, even, to hear if voting will even be allowed. The move is coming at a turning point for Activision Blizzard. In January, Microsoft announced it would buy the company for a whopping $68.7 billion. Meanwhile, the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing is suing Activision Blizzard, alleging years of harassment and abuse towards women in their workforce. The Securities and Exchange Commission is also investigating the company over its workplace issues. And CEO Bobby Kotick has continuously come under fire for allegedly knowing about incidences of sexual misconduct at the company and not informing the company's board about them. While the industry remains resistant to unions, the landscape has changed significantly since the years of the LiveJournal post by EA's spouse.